Uh,
Yes. So the last time you couldn't obtain discovery because of the system, is everything okay with discovery?
yes, we're good now.
Okay.
We are.
Yes.
May I approach, Your Honor? This is the motion to reduce bond. I've shown it to Miss Galloway.
Mhm.
And I'll wait for her to get up here.
All right. And so this motion to reduce bond, that's only for one case?
Correct, Your Honor. The possession of a controlled substance less than a gram is set at 2,500 and well, it's not.
All right. And before we go on the record, what is the alleged offense date for the possession less than a gram? Is that before or after this case?
Yes, Your Honor, very astute. So the offense date on the less than a gram is 7/16. The ag assault with a deadly weapon has a 6/29 offense date, but it was filed at large.
Okay.
So upon execution of the aggravated assault warrant, he was charged with the possession on his person,
All
et
right.
cetera, et cetera.
All right.
So he didn't pick one up right after the other.
Okay. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 009628 State versus Felix Sebastian Beltran Jr. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Victoria Cruz on behalf of Raymond Martinez for the defense.
And are you Mr. Beltran?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any objection to this attorney standing in?
No, ma'am.
All right, defense has filed a motion to reduce bond. Have you all had a chance to confer?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you in agreement to reduction of the bond?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then defense, it's your motion. Do you have any witnesses?
Your Honor, we would call our client, our defendant up, Mr. Felix Beltran, for purposes of bond reduction motion.
All right, if you could raise your right hand for me. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record, please.
Felix Beltran.
All right, defense, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Beltran, you understand why we're here today, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and can you verify for the court that you've never posted bond on the $150,000 amount for the aggravated assault with a deadly weapon?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you didn't post bond for the 150 and then pick up a less than a gram, right? Okay, so you have been in continuous custody since the offense date of the less than a gram, which is July 16th, 2025.
Yes, ma'am.
So that would put you at about 85 days of continuous custody at Bear County Jail.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dokie. How old are you, Mr. Beltran?
23.
Do you have any children?
2 boys.
How old are they?
4 and 5.
Currently, where are they?
With their mother.
And does this case involve their mother in any way?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Specifically, do you have a job or did you have a job prior to incarceration?
I work on my stepdad construction.
Okay, is that a small company?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe that if you were released, he would be able to employ you,
Yes, ma'am.
but consistently?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are aware that there is a GPS condition attached to this bond?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that the judge could put you on full house arrest and not let you go anywhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you be able to pay the $300 a month in GPS fees?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you be able to pay that?
After I get a job, yes, ma'am.
Okay, would you be able to pay that now upon
No.
release? Are you asking the court to respectfully consider waiving those fees?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you own any property?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any bank accounts?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any cash on hand?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any jewelry that you could sell?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any vehicles that you could sell?
No, ma'am.
Is there anybody that could give you a loan?
My
Realistically,
My mother.
aside from your mother?
No.
Okay, do you have any kind of credit line where you think that you could get a loan?
No, ma'am.
Where do you live?
6211 Pioneer.
Is that where you would be going to live if you were released?
Yes, ma'am.
And final question, do you have anything to do with the alleged victim in this case, Joshua Scales, other than whatever could have happened?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You have any reason to believe that you would see him out and about?
No, no, ma'am.
Okay. Your Honor, that's all we have at this time. We've passed the witness.
All right, Mr. Beltran, at the time that this offense that you're charged with occurred on June 29th of 2025, who were you living with on that day?
My mother.
Okay. And if you are released from the Bexar County Jail, do you intend to go live with your mother again?
ma'am.
Okay, and so at your mother's house, do you have access to firearms?
No, ma'am.
Okay, who else lives in your mother's house?
My brothers,
How old is your brother?
19, 19, 13, 8, and a newborn.
Okay. Does your mom work?
Yes, ma'am.
What does she do?
Amazon.
Okay, do you know what her hours are? Okay. And then you said your dad does construction, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and he receives, I mean, both of them receive checks for their work, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you or any of your family members reached out to a bonding company to see exactly how much you would have to pay to get out
No, ma'am.
or make the $150,000 bond?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And you've previously received a conviction for evading arrest or detention, is that correct?
Hmm?
You have a prior conviction for evading, a
No.
misdemeanor conviction? Are you Felix Sebastian Beltran?
No. I didn't.
It says it's time served in the system. So, okay, you're saying you've never
No.
received a conviction. You were arrested for that, though?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We passed the witness, Your Honor.
All right, any further questions?
No, Your Honor, just to clarify, I don't know if I asked it, but he's 23.
All right. State any witnesses?
Judge, we didn't have any witnesses, but we would offer big exhibit B1 just for the purposes of this hearing.
No objection.
Then states exhibit B1 is admitted without objection for purposes of this hearing only. I have a few questions if there are no objections.
Of course, yes, Your Honor.
All right. Have you ever had any type of mental health diagnosis?
As in,
Oh, have you ever seen a psychiatrist before?
younger. Not younger.
And were you diagnosed with any type of,
Bipolar and ADHD and ADD.
all right. And have you ever in the past used any type of drugs?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
All right. And how often would you use in the past? And I'm
Every,
asking these,
every now and then.
okay. And the reason why I'm asking these questions because I have to set conditions of your bond. Okay. So when is the last time you saw someone for mental health?
Since I was a child.
And when's the last time?
Middle school, like around 16, 15.
All right. So since that time, have you ever seen a psychiatrist or seen a doctor or been diagnosed with any mental health issues?
No.
All right.
I do have Tinder to defense, but it's you. That on the Tinder.
There is one. So,
All right. Any objections to states B2?
No, Your Honor.
All right. B2 is admitted without objection.
So one of the evadings got dismissed, but there was a conviction.
Okay.
That's just, she was right when she said that there was a conviction on there. But you were right to be confused because one of them got dismissed.
All right. Court will hear argument.
Judge, we would just ask that you keep the bond amount at, what was set by the magistrate, the $150,000, and you believe that it is sufficient to, guarantee his appearance in court, and as far as the community safety aspect of it, we believe it's sufficient to comply with that, and so we'd ask that you keep it at what it's set at, Your Honor.
All right, and defense, it's your motion, so I'll give you final argument.
Very brief, Your Honor. I believe community safety can be addressed through the GPS system. I have no doubt that Your Honor will likely impose on the more restrictive end, which is fine. We do ask that you please waive the fees as testimony provided. He is indigent, to be honest. Our fees were more on the low bono side and have exhausted his parents' resources. You were able to identify some possible mental health conditions that he would abide by as a condition of his bond. And I think we can meet the safety requirements through other means other than the amount, because it is on the higher end. And after 85 days, I think we can believe that he cannot meet it. Other than that, Your Honor, we just respectfully ask to consider the reduction.
All right, and I'm so sorry. Could I see State's Exhibit B1 again, please?
Okay, here we go.
All right, the court is going to set your bond at 125,000. And counsel, if some reason he is unable to make that bond, you can file another motion.
Is there a time frame on that, Your Honor?
No. You just see if they can make that.
Understood.
All right, there's to be full GPS, waive fees, a referral to Center for Healthcare Services, outpatient treatment. Those fees will be waived. And that outpatient treatment is for substance abuse. And I'm sorry, instead of full GPS, it's going to be partial GPS, waive GPS fees, GPS until further notice. And the partial GPS for medical treatment and outpatient treatment only. There is to be no contact with the following:
We're fine, Judge.
All right, let me see if there's a date anywhere in here. All right, your plea deadline date, it's set in here for October 21st. All right, so you all will be back on October 21st.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.